welcome back to Pannu's Quilling Point, and you are at Perfect Point watching me Pradnya on the Sari Crafty channel. So recently I made a video on my review video on Moto Quiller, that is Super Quiller from Quillon, and in that video I have said about assorted quilling strips, and yes, here is what I want to say on that topic. So let's move. So these are the quilling strips, that is sticky back quilling strips I got along with the Super Quiller box. And firstly, I have to say that the sticky part you can see is differs from that is length to length, or it also differs in the same color. So this gives somewhere a problem for quilling items. So second one I thought is the length of the sticky part is more. So because of that, it gives problem to overlap in a straight line. Until and unless you are a crafter, it will be a problem to stick. So third is when you quill this strip, you can see over here, the overlapping gives an unfinished look to a coil. So somewhere the sticky part is suffering. Because of sticky part, it is suffering. And fourth, once you quill it and try to stick it, because of adhesiveness is not that good, you have to use a normal glue to stick. So my take on this is that the idea of quilling sticky back strips is really good, but the product is need to be improved. If you have used a quilling sticky back strips, then mention your experience in the comment section below, so let others know and others learn. So what do you feel about this video? Was it helpful to you? Please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't liked my video yet, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to check out my Super Quiller review video, then you can find the link here, and some other helpful videos that we have already done, then you can find that in the description below. Also, if you haven't visited my website, that is pannusquilling.com, then you can find that link over here. So once again, thank you for watching my video and
giving you